Look at how clean. Oh my God, I'm an artist. Anybody else do that? I told you guys, I get annoyed and like frustrated with makeup very easily, and like it's already starting. Like, why? Why are you instructing me to put a red on top of a freaking deep purple like this? Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What up? I have never really been great at doing like sunset eye looks, and I think I have finally found out why. I'm not following a Pinterest tutorial on it. This video is not an original concept. I saw someone else do this. It came up in my suggested box. I never actually watched the video, but that's where I got the idea from. So I'm not sure who to credit for that. I didn't really do my research. I just saw it in my suggested and I was like, that's a cool video idea. But yeah, I have found a Pinterest pictorial, and it's so funny because like they make it seem like everything is so easy. Just put down this color and then this color and then blend them together and then it's beautiful. But like we all know, it is so like 50 times deeper than that. I am someone that gets frustrated with makeup very easily. So this is going to be a very interesting challenge for me. That's enough talking. Let's just go ahead and get into the video. All right, my lids are primed. My brows have been cleaned. I'm not saying they look the best. I'm just saying I've cleaned my brows. And I'm closer so we can be real up close and personal. So this pictorial is using the James Charles Morphe palette. Y'all know I have an obsession with this palette. It's like the best colorful palette I own. I'm thinking about getting the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker, but that ain't got nothing to do with this video. Okay, so step one in this pictorial is covering the entire lid with this deep purple shade right here. So that's what we're gonna do. I personally don't ever do that. Like, don't ever start with a darker base, but I know it is a popular method. So let's see. All right, here we go. Oh my God, look how opaque this color is though. Can we be real? There's no eyeshadows out right now, in my opinion, that's touching Morphe, like at all. I don't know if y'all know this about me. I hate the color. Okay, not hate, but I really kind of don't like the color purple. I don't like absolutely hate it, but like, just like take a look at my channel, my Instagram. I don't buy or wear anything purple. Very rarely do I use purple in my eyeshadow. And if I am using purple, it's like with pink or like blue or something else. Like I'm never gonna do like a purple focus look because I don't like purple. Boom. I'm gonna soften up these edges real quick right here. But the color is on. Okay, step one is finished. Let's go on to step two. Step two is taking this red shade and putting it in the crease and kind of blending it just a little bit with the purple. Now let me tell you what scares me about this. This could get muddy so fast. Like mixing a light color and like right into a dark color can get muddy and ugly so fast. With good pigment always comes a little bit of fallout, and so that's why I don't have face makeup on. I like to do my eyes first when I'm using like super pigmented shadows like this, because you know it's gonna be a little bit of fallout. People really be tripping about fallout sometimes. Like, bro, it's eyeshadow. Like, it's literally like pigmented color powder. Chill, it's gonna be a little bit of fallout. See, this is looking a little muddy right here already. Like, that is literally black right there. So let me try to pack some red on top of that. See if maybe we can cover that a little bit. But the pictorial already has led us to believe that it is much simpler and much less complicated than it actually is. Y'all see that? It's like black in there. I hate putting a light color on a dark color. Hate it. Like, for my own personal makeup techniques, I just never. So muddy all the time, every time. I'm just gonna take a fluffy blending brush and just blend this out, because trying to break it down is like gonna stress me out, make my head hurt. Oh my God. I told you guys, I get annoyed and like frustrated with makeup very easily, and like it's already starting. Like, why? Why are you instructing me to put a red on top of a freaking deep purple like this? So annoyed right now. And again, we're putting a lighter color on a darker color. Now we're taking yellow and going around. All right, so step three, taking another lighter color and putting it on top of a darker color and expecting it not to get muddy, I guess. Now with this yellow, it's more of like like the hint of yellow. I'm not super worried about the yellow pigment, like trying to build that up, because if you see on hers, it's not like super present in the look. It's kind of just like a tint, if you will, of yellow. Okay, not gonna lie, with the yellow it looks a little better, but this muddiness is still getting on my nerves. Now we're going to cut the crease. So we're gonna take concealer and just do a little half cut crease. I feel like once I go ahead and like do a half cut crease, that this muddiness in the like crease will look better because of the dark contrast. I don't even know if that made sense, y'all. It made sense in my head. So if it doesn't make sense to you, it's okay, because it makes sense to me. Pure talent. Pure talent. Oh my God. You know what? Forget the pictorial. Look at what I've just done. Look at my talent and appreciate me for the artiste that I am. All right, let me stop moving and let this dry. All right, so my cut crease is just about finished drying. Anybody else do that? Now I'm feeling excited. I feel a little bit better about it. It definitely looks a lot better with the cut, with the crease cut already. This looks less muddy. Do y'all see what I mean now? Now it just looks good because like the dark there looks like it's just gonna be contrasting with the color we're gonna be putting here. So yeah, it's gonna work out. Look at me, I was catching an attitude for no reason. Now we're taking this pretty blue shade and putting that where we cut our crease. I've had this palette for a few months and I don't think I've ever even used this shade though, so let's see. All right, let's see, let's get it right, get it tight. Oh, this is pretty though, wow. Okay, wait, before we even continue to address the pictorial, look at how clean. Oh my God, I'm an artist. Now this right here, that needs to be blended. Now we're gonna take the first three colors, the A, the B, and the C color, and put it on our lower lash line. It took me a minute. Now I typically won't put anything on my lower lash line until I have foundation on, but I'm not really being given that option right now. So let's just go ahead and do it. Also, I've said this on my channel like 2 times before. I hate mixing shadows. Like picking up more than one color at a time on a brush, I think is just tacky. I think it mixes the colors and makes everything jumble together. So I'm gonna be doing one color at a time. Yes, I'm extra like that. Gotta be honest, maybe I'll like the lower lash line color when I have on a lash and some face makeup, but right now, hate it. All right, and this inner eye corner is looking a hot mess because there's nothing there and with all this going on, so let's move on to the next step because I think the next step is inner eye corner. It sure is. So we're putting white in our inner corner. Obviously, I'm a brown girl, so I'm gonna put a little concealer there so that the white will actually like have something to stick to. Because if you haven't noticed, I'm not that pale. All right, guys, I don't want to judge it too bad, but okay, so everything here and up, I love. In our eye corner and everything. This on the lower lash line is so ugly to me, I think, but that's personal because I don't typically do that myself, like when I'm doing my own eyeshadow. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm going to do my other eye, the rest of my face, and I'm gonna put a lash on, and then I would judge the eye look because of course I'm never going to be going out in just eyeshadow, no lashes, no face makeup, with one eye done, you know, so we gotta judge fairly. So I will do that and then I'll be back and we'll talk about the finished look. You guys, I am in absolute love. I thought that there was things in the look that I didn't like or like that didn't look right before I even put lashes on, because I know my lashes are really big. They can easily hide any mistakes. But before I even put my lashes on, literally just after I had finished my face makeup and I had done nothing to my lashes and the eyeshadow was just on, I was like, this look is beautiful. I'm obsessed. And honestly, like the little mistakes, like little things that you don't like, if you just trust the process and keep pushing through it, like it actually comes out really good. And that is so funny because that like never happens. And the whole like putting lighter colors on top of darker colors method is not something I do myself. So it's interesting to do a new like makeup technique for once, especially when you've been doing makeup for a couple of years. It's like, okay, same old stuff. Oh my goodness, so cute, guys. Seriously, look. Let me know what you guys think of the eye look and what you think of Pinterest pictorials, if you'll be trying any of them. Let me know in the comments down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like and a comment. comment, subscribe for more videos like this one. I will see you guys on my Instagram page. Go follow your girl. And if I don't see you on Instagram, then I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look. Hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna.